This is the Gorge and Mt Hood Park and Ride Assessment. This is for the team and I. We are Masters of Urban and Regional Planning students here at Portland State, and we're collaborating with ODOT, DLCD, and you all to help create a vision for park and rides in the Gorge and Mt Hood area.
A park and ride is an area that someone can leave their vehicle to connect to other forms of transit. And that's also ideally accessible by public transportation. The main point of these lots is to provide an opportunity for an individual to avoid uncomfortable or difficult driving situations, so that they can help improve safety, reduce traffic congestion, and improve access for individuals who otherwise may not have the ability to get to the Gorge or Mt Hood. At various times during the year, there's people parking everywhere and it's an insane mess. And we're hoping that these projects and the park and rides can help alleviate some of that in the future.
The biggest takeaway was just the importance of ease of use for people, especially like with wayfinding and signage.
It was given to us as a park and ride project, but really it should be thought of as a transportation system project, and understanding how all the different modes interact will be very important for creating these park and ride systems, so that those who don't have vehicles can also access these sites.
We really hope that these recommendations and all of the project overall will help drive the regional vision for park and rides forward and facilitate future phases of this project to create a more accessible, safer, and less congested future for the Columbia River Gorge and Mt Hood region.